Pull up now. OC. OC, OC. Breaks, where in SSR. May DPS, go northwest lang kayo, Ilis ha. They have brawlers at the back. They have brawlers at the back. Okay, ready? Inside of us, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now. Okay, just keep bonking ha. Just bonk for now.
No, they're
Just bonk for now.
going out, I think.
Day 2, day 2.
Okay, just bonk for now.
Oh, that's fine.
Oh, they have masa?
Bonk.
Ito.
May dalawang hammer sa likod ah.
Okay. Go back, go north now, go north now, go north. Out for now.
Setup to eh.
Okay. Come to me northeast, follow me northeast. Wrap around.
Where Hawa?
We're gonna kite east side we're gonna kite southeast now. Me. I need some ditangs at the back. Southeast yung kite pat Ilis southeast yung kite pat. We're gonna engage over the wall south now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall south now. Good.
Nice.
Bong.
Ay, tatlo.
Moonwar.
Three of them die.
Just bong. DPS get ready.
Ready ah.
Look south again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Okay. Hold. Just keep bonking for now. DPS stay outside. I need one. Boss, can you look at the back, boss? Can you look at the back? Stay at the back. Specto, stay at the back as well. Specto. My Outkeeper, Bedrock, stay at the back. My Demon Armor. Stay with the DPS.
They still have plan ah.
Yes. QW on this guard. QW. Yeah, just bonky. We're gonna take it slow. We're just gonna farm them. I need you to look at the back. Stop their hammer. Hillion Hood. If there's a hammer inside you, drop Hillion Hood. Don't let them position. Everyone shallow on me south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Okay, go back for now. Okay.
Jacket 1.
Kill this card. Jacket 1. Okay. Okay, inch up a bit. Stay at the back muna. Stay at the back, may DPS. Some of the DPS. Okay, DPS get ready. Shallow again, south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm now south crown. Okay, go back. Go back north. We're gonna take all the guards first. Okay? Jacket. QW. Okay, come to me west. Northwest kayo, Iles. We're gonna wrap around na after this. Okay, wait. QW. DPS ready?
Ready.
Look at the back, please. Ditang, look at the back. Specto, stay at the back. I need Ditangs to look at the back. All my Bedrock, stay at the back. Okay, DPS shallow inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this one. Okay, good. Jacket. Wait.
Carefully inside.
Hold. Yes. Wait. Scarbase look east. Harrow look east as well. Okay. DPS inch up a bit. Okay. Party 2 engage. Party 2 only. Party 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 2. Only party 2. Okay, go back.
Now, or I stay at the back.
Stay at the back, boss. Party 1 ready. We're gonna engage. South is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Umi now. South. Okay, go back. Go back again.
Jacket 1.
Go back again. Jacket 1.
There's a lot.
We're gonna take this slow. Stay at the back. Okay? Party 2 engage. Party 2. Pixri, are you here? Pixri?
Picture here already.
Okay, party 2 on me. Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 2. That's party 2, okay? Okay, ready? Party 1 inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now. Nice. Go back.
Yes.
Go back. We're gonna
Ito.
farm them. We're gonna farm them. Jacket. We're gonna farm them, boys. Okay. Wheel. GA, can you look at this on this kano?
Ready, ah.
Miji, can you stay here, Miji, on the chest? Party to engage shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party to. That's party to. Okay, ready? Party 1. Inside the bus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 1. Inside the bus.
Nice.
Good. Kite north now.
They're coming
Peel.
east. They're
Peel now.
coming east.
Peel. Demon, giga. Just giga, demon. Keep moving north. Nice. We soak it, boy. Okay, DPS get ready. Keep healing. Kite northeast. Everyone ready. Southeast now. Look southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of them southeast now. Wipe this shit.
Oh, shit.
Nice.
Demon armor.
Go back. Go back north. Go northeast. Northeast. Stabilize for now. Stabilize. I'm stuck. Fuck. I'm stuck. Just keep moving. I'm stuck. Okay, I'm good now. Okay, DPS now ready? DPS get ready. Inside the bus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the bus. Keep kiting is. QW. Don't worry. QW. Party to engage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the bus. Party to. Nice. Keep kiting northeast. Keep kiting northeast. Keep kiting east. Keep kiting east.
Bro.
Yeah, bro. Don't blame. We're fuck up right now. I'm dead. Bro, don't blame. We're pack up right now. Just run. Elise dead.
Yeah, because Demon and no here.
Yeah.
Too many
Yeah.
scattered and run away instead of staying together.
No, bro. Don't say like that. Like, we are trying. Okay.
No,
You know that
Ah,
it will not work against the full brawl. So don't.
But,
Okay, don't.
but
We
but I
try.
think-
We did good there. We did good actually.
Go.
Okay.
We can still go.
But
Yeah.
I think we don't need too many that tank at the back because when you guys got hit in front, we cannot have we late.
Yeah. I don't have enough peel, but we can go. We can go again. Okay, we can go again. That's a good practice. Okay, again. But who left my party one? Awa.
Awa still AFK.
Where's Awa?
Already. How are off
Here in
already?
nature.
Okay. Save yourself for now. We're gonna go back. Okay. More healer on party 2.